Miranda is in, trying to switch things up in this game. That ball is deflected. Miranda, ibibigay kay Bacangke. Good coverage at the net. Cortez going to De Leon. Miranda this time. Petalio with a cross-court kill.
I love in that sequence, Miranda was able to activate all spikers. Mitzi in the middle, Bacangke on the right pin. And take a look at that, the pocket rocket doing just...
Lopez up to serve. FEU has not led in set number 1. De Los Santos from the back. Miranda, Eliarina. De Los Santos again from the back. Pump set. Petalio will try. And Petalio will get the point. For serving 5. Miranda. Jerzel Petalio with a tough hit. And now we add Jury back to the group chat. Number 2. Miranda to Lopez. Fujimoto. Hermosura. Good save by Bacangke. Back row Petalio. Picked up. The Chavez will bump it. So Nashima that is slowed down. We resume with this back row hit. And a much needed point coming from Jers Petalio. So back to a 4-point lead with Hermosura. Serving tough. Miranda going quick. Hermosura. Coverage for the Blue Eagles. Coverage at the net for FEU. De Los Santos. Miranda. Petalio off the blocker's hands.
Simple plays you're seeing now from FEU pulling away here.
Good first pass. Petalio with a block breaker. Set.
Now there's one.
Fujimoto to De Los Santos from the right side. Bob set to the left pin there. Encarnacion going to Pendon. Fujimoto chasing for Pasha. Petalio waits for it.
And that was sailing outside. Anna.
All in this set. So good insertion coming from Coach Serio. Tax will send it to the hot hand. Easily picked up. Encarnacion sets up Pendon. Fujimoto going opposite side for Pasha. One-man block coming from Petalio.
And the Ateneo Blue Eagles just trying to figure things out here in set number 3.
Season's not over yet for the FEU Lady Tamaraos as they extend this one. Resco in the season. One was against UP, arguably her best UAAP game yet. Meanwhile, Petalio returns it. Encarnacion will bump it. Petalio trying to find a way. Tax. Pasha had to adjust. Another one for Pasha. Coverage by Arroyo. Now to the other side, De Los Santos. Opaldo. And Petalio will get the point and win big because FEU is looking for set number 5. Pump set, Hermosura above the block. Opaldo had to chase to set that up for Jers Petalio. Opaldo.
Oh, wow.
De Leon right there. Tsunoshima. Chuatico. We shall continue. Returned. Pendon returned again. Petalio neutralized, but no coverage. And a much needed point coming from Jers Petalio.
It is getting heated here. But FEU pulls away in this sequence.
Full of blessings. As I also remember Cal Pendon saying, buong season kulang pa, gutom pa para manalo. That's why coming into the last set, they're keeping their faith and their dreams.
They target Lopez.
Oh.
Petalio. Down it goes. Two.